In today's video, I'm sharing how to make cauliflower rice at home with and without a food processor. Plus, I will also share 2 flavor ideas to jazz it up. Cauliflower rice is a super versatile, low-carb alternative. It has a mild flavor and you can customize it the way you like it. It also works well in other recipes like burritos, cauliflower hash browns, and cauliflower pizza. A couple of reasons why I started making cauliflower rice at home are because it's cheaper, and also I wanted another way to add more veggies to my meals. In Panama, we usually eat a lot of rice, and I wanted to cut back a little bit on it, so I started adding cauliflower rice to my white rice, and it just bulked up the meals I ate every day. Let me know in the comments whether you have made cauliflower rice before. Now let's go ahead with the recipe. Obviously, the main ingredient is cauliflower. When you are going to buy your cauliflower head, try looking for one that is not bruised and have green leaves on it. The first thing we are going to do to prep our recipe is to remove the leaf from your cauliflower head. Next, wash it with abundant water. After that, pat it dry. This last step is crucial because we don't want to have steamed cauliflower rice. The first method would be using a box grater. I usually cut the cauliflower head in 2. After that, I select the medium-sized holes from the box grater and shred the cauliflower rice. Continue shredding until you have completed with all of it. You will notice in the video that I have chopped the florets out and then grated each floret individually. That will work as well, only it will take a little bit more time. Now our second method of preparation will be using the food processor. So the first step to making the cauliflower rice using the food processor is to chop the cauliflower head into florets. Next, add them to your food processor and pulse until you get a rice-like consistency. In my case, I did pulse between 8 and 10 times. Try not to overfill your food processor. This will ensure you have consistent size. Not too fine because it will get soft too quickly when cooking and you want it to have a bite. So now let's start the cooking process. I prefer sauteing the cauliflower rice because it gives it a little more bite or texture. It stores well and it has a more rice-like consistency. Another tip, cook it in batches and stir it frequently. That will ensure all of them are cooked evenly and they will not become mushy. Also, cauliflower rice does not need a lot of time to cook. Heat your wok to medium heat and add some oil. Add the cauliflower rice and saute for a couple of minutes, stirring constantly. Then add your seasonings. Then add the salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and some black pepper and continue saute for a couple more minutes. Remove from the heat and set aside. Repeat with the rest of the cauliflower rice. Serve and enjoy. Now let's have some fun with some different flavors. The first flavor we are going to make is garlic Parmesan cauliflower rice. Add some oil to a skillet over medium heat. Next, add your raw cauliflower rice and saute for a couple of minutes. Then add your garlic powder and continue sauteing. The last ingredient will be the Parmesan cheese. Mix it up and turn off the heat. Garnish with some parsley and serve. So the next flavor will be turmeric cauliflower rice or yellow cauliflower rice. In a skillet at medium-low heat, add some oil, and then we are going to bloom our turmeric. The term bloom means that the oil will help release and amplify the turmeric flavors. So remember to never skip the step when you are cooking with turmeric or even curry powder. After your turmeric has been bloomed, you can add your cauliflower rice, saute or mix it together, and you will notice that the cauliflower rice will start changing to a yellowish color. Then you will add your salt and your garlic powder and mix it together. Saute for a couple of minutes and then you can remove it from the heat. You can also garnish with some chopped parsley and enjoy. And there you have it, this easy low-carb alternative to rice that you can serve with your favorite protein. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Remember, the full printable recipe is on my website nashifood.com and you can find the link in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep sharing your love for food. Bye! Also, if you would like, you can also try my mushroom cauliflower rice.